Press the two ends and pull the box to open it. The user manual, slot pin, translator, and lanyard. Type-C charging cable, volume key is on the left side, while power key, the other language, and your native language are on the right. Press and hold the power button, and the translator will be turned on automatically. Press the button again to choose to shut down or restart. Press and hold the power button for 20 seconds, and you can force restart the translator if it is not responsive. The first time of turning on the translator, you are required to follow the instruction on the screen to activate the device, which may take 3 to 5 minutes. In the circumstances of not being connected to Wi-Fi or no nano SIM being inserted, the translation mode is unavailable after activation. Use the slot pin to insert to the hole, and SIM card slot will eject. The translator also supports nano SIM card. After you have installed the SIM card, please switch the network to your nano SIM card in the Setting Network and Connection Mobile Data. You need to install the nano SIM card so that it can share mobile data with other devices. Tap the upper left corner of the screen or swipe right on the edge of the left-hand side of the screen to return to the previous screen. Swipe down on the home screen to bring up the quick setting. On the home screen or any translation screens, you can select the other language and your native language. Tap the upper right corner on any translation mode screen and enter the translation setting. One-click translation mode. Hold the red button to speak your native language, and the translation will play automatically when you release. Hold the blue button, the other person can start speaking. When the translator is on standby, press any button to start one-click translation mode right away.
Disculpe, me gustaría reservar una habitación sencilla.
Excuse me, I would like to book a single room.
Of course, sir. May I have your passport, please?
Por supuesto, señor. ¿Puedo tener su pasaporte, por favor?
Tap the switch button on the translation screen and rotate the screen to have a translation in landscape display. Don't press the translation button. Tap the red button, your native language on the screen, and you can start speaking. Tap again, stop speaking. Tap the blue button, the other language, and the other person starts speaking. Tap again, stop speaking.
El año pasado también vine a este bonito país y tomé bastantes fotos.
Last year, I also came to this beautiful country and took many photos.
Really? Show me. I want to see.
En realidad, muéstrame. Quiero ver.
Mira, esto es cuando estaba en la grande.
Chat translation mode. Put the translator in the corresponding direction of two parties, select their own languages, and press the button to start the translation.
How do you like the place you were yesterday?
¿Qué te parece el lugar donde estuviste ayer?
Oh, no, nada que ver con las fotos.
Oh no, nothing to do with the photos.
Oh, it's okay. I'll take you to a beautiful place with a sunset tomorrow.
Oh, está bien. Te llevaré a un lugar hermoso con la puesta de sol mañana.
¡Wow! ¡Perfecto! Empacaré mis maletas.
Wow, perfect. I'll pack my bags.
Listen mode. Place the translator in front of the speaker and click Record to start recording and translating in real time.
Amigos, síganme, los llevaré al siguiente destino. ¡Vámonos!
Ask for direction mode. Tap the upper right corner of the screen and tap the sign plus. Input text manually or record the voice to translate. In any translation mode or lock screen, you can double push the power button and the translator will automatically play the pre-configured translation you set up in advance. Tap anywhere on the screen to exit Ask for Director mode. Tap the camera button. and the translator will automatically scan and translate the text. Tap Save on the upper right corner, and the translator photo will be saved in the album. Tap Setting to select Offline Translation Mode, which is only available when offline language packs have been downloaded with internet connection. You can enable or disable this function in the translation settings of any modes.